Alright, hello everyone here. It's my Avalanche. Trying to do the front left headlight here. So to access the headlight, it's the high beams are on the inside right here, and the low beams are over here. And then you got your your parking light and your blinkers over here. Or just, I don't know, whatever these ones are. At any rate, you want to access this down here. So, in order to do that, I'm going to try to see if you can see this over here. There is, over here, if you can see it better from it, right in here, where my finger is, there's a tab you can push on, right? And you want to push it this way. Okay, and that will, once you kind of push that in, right? Oh, try not to have you slip off there. Okay, so you push that tab in this way, then you kind of reach over here and grab this part, and you kind of work this whole thing off there, and you can kind of just set it to the side. So you can see it better here. This tab, you push it, and it opens this, and it unlocks this clip right here, and you got that assembly out of the way. Now, oh, I need like a screwdriver or something. Maybe not. Now you got I'm trying to show you this here. You got this here. It's like a little Allen wrench almost shape. You got another one right in here. So you want to, what you want to do is you want to pop those away from where they are, out of that little groove. And I think I'm gonna need like a screwdriver or something for that. So I'm gonna be right back. Alright, so we're back. And I have a screwdriver. So basically you just want to pop this away from the little bracket there. And where are we? This one in here as well. Pop that. Okay. Then once you pop them out of their little brackets, then you just want to go ahead and turn them and pull them right out. Okay. Put them somewhere where they won't get lost. Maybe one on the right, one on the left, so you know which one's which. Come on, little fella. Come on. Trying to pull it straight out, but it's giving me some trouble. You give it some trouble. There, okay. Okay, now that whole assembly should just kind of come right out. Alright, and having come out that far, it gives you room. Yep, I'm doing a video. Okay. So now you can see that. Remember, inner one was the inner one is the brights. The outer one is the headlights, so that's the one we want to access. So I'm gonna go ahead and try and do that. Let's see here. Trying to set the camera here where you guys can see. Kind of, sort of. Okay, so right in here is that. Okay, so yes, that's where we want to go. I'll clean that a little bit with my brush. That's nasty in there. Get away from there, spider webs. Okay, so got this here. So I think we just want to turn it to the left, I'm pretty sure. So we just turn it. The only way we can really turn it is to the left, so we want to turn it to the left and just pull it out of there, I guess. So turn it to the left, kind of working it out pretty easy. Okay. And once we get it out of there, just got these tabs on it here. So We're not too concerned about that, but we're concerned about this, the tab there. So we're just gonna kind of lift those up with the thumbnail and just kind of scoop this whole thing out of there. Okay, so that's pretty easy. Get our new one. Okay, so we're just gonna put our new one back down in there. All right, just kind of work it on there. Okay, put the bulb kind of back in there. Let's see here, and then just kind of work it back to where it was. Let's see here. We had it in there like this, and then we want to turn it back to the bottom, I think. So that's kind of where we are with that. I think it's not going anywhere. So it doesn't seem like it's locked in as much as the other one. But I think that's how it's going though. Yeah. So with that done, and pretty much that done, we can line up the grooves again. So this kind of lines up with this tube there. Hey, can you please be quiet? Hey, can you guys please be quiet? Stop yelling and screaming for no reason, please. Okay, so you want to get these holes lined up here. Stop, please. I already asked you to stop.
Stop it.
Get the holes lined up, put the pins back in, and then we're good to go. So thanks for watching, you guys. I hope that helped. And then you just put the other one back in there. Pretty self-explanatory. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. Okay, bye.